guys, it is Simone, and today we are back with another hair tutorial. We are working with Hairvivi, and in this video is going to be very educational, okay? If you've ever had a wig that just did not fit properly, or you're just like, oh my god, I want this wig to be glueless, but it just won't sit properly at the top, at the sides, and now I have to use some sort of adhesive, right? If you've ever had that issue, then this video is for you, because Hairvivi has a new technique that actually makes the wig sit snugly on your head. So keep watching. So this may look like two very basic wig caps, but they differ a lot. The main difference is when you look to the side on both wig caps, you can see the wig cap on the left does not lay flat on the forehead and is kind of not fitting snugly on the actual forehead or hairline. The wig cap on the actual right is Hairvivi's, and you can see it's laying flat. Because it's laying flat by the forehead, that's what's going to make your wig fit more snug and allow it to be glueless. So it's all about the cap construction, and this is probably why you may want to do glueless, but it's just not working for you. It's like, not today, because it wasn't made for your head, or just wasn't made to fit snug. Here's more of a visual representation of what I was talking about. Alright, so I always show you guys how inside the wig looks because I want you guys to know what to compare to when you order your wig. I do have a discount code for you guys, by the way, but look at how the wig just sits on my head naturally. Like, look how it's like hugging my forehead. And we all know I got a big one, but I was over here taking selfies because I was amazed by the lace, per usual. Obviously, all the wigs come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and so forth. Today we're going to be using this Wonder Bond Even Spray. Now, I know this video is a glueless video, okay? And you can definitely do it glueless, but I plan on keeping this wig on for the next couple of days. And so I was like, you know what, things gotta happen. So I am using Eben. A lot of you guys did recommend to use the black can or the yellow can. I have the yellow can, I don't have the black can. So I'm probably gonna stay here and buy that and experiment with all three, because this hold for the red one is already immaculate. So I can't imagine for the other two colors. So yes, this wig is glueless. Going back to that, because I don't want you guys to chew me out in the comments. I think what I might do, actually, because I have to get ready today, is I might show you guys how I put the wig on with it being glueless on video towards the end. But it fits so perfect that it made the whole spraying and, spraying down process and installing process so much easier. I like to customize my wigs, so I do a little bit of extra trimming and layering, and then I'm going to go ahead and just flip the front part of the hair that's really framing my face. You can totally skip this step, but I just like to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and curl this, hold it there for a while, and then use a roller to set the curl or hold the curl. And then I'm going to do this again with the hair framing my face. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that music. So this is how the hair looks when you take out the curl. It is so like bouncy. I actually am gonna always like hold the curl at the front from now on while I'm getting ready, but the hair just looks so good. It was so silky. As you guys know, the hair is always silky, and I just loved how the edges looked. I was definitely highly impressed by that. Obviously no shedding with Hairvivi, that is usually the norm, but the texture of the hair, immaculate. Just freaking immaculate, okay? And yeah, I'm just sitting there chatting my mouth off, but this is basically the end result. I am going to show you guys how it looks glueless, so still keep watching, y'all. I'm just getting the wig to look as perfect as possible. You can flip it over and just play around with it. Have fun with it, you know, add some volume to it, some life, some body, you know. So as promised, I wanted to show you guys how the wig looked on my head, glueless, because again, this is a glueless video. So I kind of gave you guys the best of both worlds. I showed you the install with my hair sprayed, and now I'm showing it with it not sprayed. So let's scooch up. All right, so this is it. Again, this is fully glueless right here, but like you see how it's just sitting nice and flat like on my hairline and my forehead. So I just obviously brushed on the sides, nothing too crazy, no baby hairs. It's glueless, so you don't really want to have too much baby hairs. And then this is the other side, but the whole point is, if you look from, I'm like making myself cross-eyed by turning. If you look straight, like right here, you can see that it's laying really flat, okay? And again, this is it being fully glueless, see? So yeah, I'm just gonna comb it. I'm like looking in the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror. I don't have a mirror in front of me, but yeah, look how flat it is again. All right guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Don't forget I have a discount code. It will be down below. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.